Blessings to all of you. I am here, verily available to accept the Purnahuti, worships and puja, and bless you all, liberate all of you from all the karmas.
तन्नो कालभैरव प्रचोदयात्। श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। श्री आनंद गणपतये नमः। श्री वल्ली देवसेना समेत श्री सुब्रह्मण्य स्वामिने नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि, रक्षां धारयामि। Today, on the 8th day of the Sri Nityananda Utsavam, the 44th Avatara Dinotsavam celebrations, we are celebrating the revival of Shaivam by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Today, in the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devasthanam, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, His Divine Holiness Swamiji's Utsava Vigraha is gracing in the Kala Bhairava Alankara. Kala Bhairava is one of the most powerful manifestations of Paramashiva. He manifested powerfully to remove the false identity of Brahma and blessed him with the experience of Paramashivoham. Kala Bhairava is the supreme Lord of time and integrity. Kala Bhairava holds the keys to the cosmic archives, the Akashic records, which contain the past, present, and future. Kala Bhairava is the source of the causal body and the source from which rejuvenation for manifestation happens. With great pride, privilege, and with supreme eager and gratefulness, we are supremely eager and grateful that the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism is officiating this grand Kala Bhairava Homa and Nityananda Homa here in the Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devasthanam in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. Being the 1008th living incarnation of Paramashiva, Swamiji is the very embodiment of Kala Bhairava, bringing tremendous protection, integrity, and completion to the whole cosmos. The rituals and homa conducted in Adi Kailasha are micromanaged personally by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, keeping true to the instructions as per Agamas and Vedas. Further, the rituals are conducted by third eye awakened disciples of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Therefore, with the blessings, presence, and grace of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Kala Bhairava manifests intensely, protects, and blesses all the sincere prayers of one and all. We just offered our worship and gratitude to Swamiji, praising as Kala Bhairava, along with Ananda Ganapati and Valli Devasena Sameta Sri Subramanya Swami. Today, the Kala Bhairava Homa and the Nityananda Homa are the grand rituals in which the powerful Kala Bhairava mantra and Guru mantra are chanted, offering the ahutis, oblations into the Shivagni. Through the power of the Kala Bhairava mantra, the presiding deity of which is Kala Bhairava, the blessings for completion in life, protection from negativities, black magics, and enemies, and the complete protection happens. Before we enter into the Vishesha Dravya Homam, let us understand the context that Hinduism holds for the two sacred things in our life. Hinduism is the greatest science of the universe. The Maharishis have taken the truths in the Vedas and Agamas and formulated rituals and kriyas that should be done for the benefit of the whole universe. Agni, fire, and Anna, food, are physical manifestations of divinity and are declared over and over again by the Vedas and Upanishads about their significance in our lives. In our lives, when we open ourselves up to the raw elements of the cosmos, such as the open sky or the vast ocean, our bodies and minds automatically are rejuvenated and refreshed. The same way, when one sits before a raw fire, we are not only stilled by the purity of Agni, but we are also opening ourselves up to the threshold of the gods. Today, we are going to experience the powerful presence and grace and blessings of Kala Bhairava. Let us now prepare ourselves to receive the raw power of Agni in this ritual with the grace and blessings of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Kala Bhairava manifests intensely. Please sit straight and bring awareness to your breath. Inhale and exhale as deeply as possible and as slowly as possible. Open all three of your eyes and see the Agni before you. The Rig Veda declares,
हरिः ॐ अग्निवीरे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवं ऋत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातामम्.
I praise Agni, who is the Purohita of the Yaga, who is the Ritvijit, who is the one performing the sacrifice at the proper times. The Yajna, which is directed towards the gods, he, the Agni, is the Hotara, the priest invoking the gods, and the Agni is the bestower of Ratna, the wealth of physical, mental, and the spiritual planes. In the Ishavasya Upanishad's final verses, Agni is praised.
अग्नेन यसुपधाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम.
O Agni, the fire god, knower of all our actions and all that is worth knowing, you must take us along the righteous and auspicious path of completion, leading us to the experience of supreme consciousness, the original space of complete completion. O God consciousness, may you remove all our incompletions that are obstacles on our path of completion, beyond coming and going, birth and death. Unto you we surrender with our reverential words, bowing down again and again. Bhagavan Shri Krishna declares in the Purushottama Yoga of Bhagavad Gita, Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritah Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachanyannam Chaturvidam. I am the fire of digestion in every living body, and I am the breath of life, exhaled and inhaled, with which I digest the fourfold food. Bhagavan Shri Krishna declares the supreme value of anna, food, and connects its manifestation through the yajna, the fire ritual, in the karma yoga of Bhagavad Gita.
अन्नात्
Bhavanti bhutani parjanyadana sambhava.
यज्ञात् भवन्ति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः.
All beings grow from fruit grains. From rains the food grains become possible. The rains become possible from the selfless sacrifice of enriching through yajna, the fire ritual. The Taittiriya Upanishad goes on to declare in the beautiful Samagana, Ahamannam, 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 ahamannado, ahamannado, ahamannadah, ahaggashlokakrita, 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 ahamasmi prathamacharutasya, purvam devebhyo amritasya navahi. Yo ma dadadi shaile vama ahamannamannamadantamadmi aham vishvam bhuvanamabhya bhavan सुवर्णज्योतिः य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत्. I am food, I am food, I am food. I am the eater, I am the eater, I am the eater. I am the binding agent, I am the binding agent, I am the binding agent. I am the firstborn of the cosmic order before the gods and the center of immortality. He who offers me, he alone protects me. He who eats food without offering, I as food eat him. I as the Supreme Lord overpower the whole world. I am the golden light like that of the sun. Whoever knows this will become so. This is a secret teaching of the Vedas and the Upanishads. Today, we are going to offer to Kala Bhairava the Vishesha Dravya Homam. This Homam is the offering of the Sattvika Guna foods into the Agni Kunda. The gods Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra and Ananta are invoked in the Agni Kunda, and the Agni Kunda's top is said to be the very mouth of the gods, while the pit below is the stomach of the gods. In the Vishesha Dravya Homa, various fruits, cooked rice, and the coconut is also offered as it represents the head of the Devata. Finally, the Annam is adorned with clothing and flower garlands and is worshipped as the embodiment of Kala Bhairava. This Vishesha Dravya Homam is done for the welfare of humanity and all living forms in the universe. Under the guidance of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, His Divine Holiness Swamiji, all the homas performed in Adi Kailasha are performed to prepare and protect humanity from the pralaya and bring auspiciousness to the universe. Before we enter the Vishesha Dravya Homam and the Purnamahuti Homam, please declare the following statements with integrity and authenticity. If you agree, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that Annam, food, Agni, fire, Kala Bhairava Swami, and the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, His Divine Holiness Swamiji, are the embodiment and representations of that very cosmic energy. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that whatever it is that is offered in the Kala Bhairava Homa, in the Vishesha Dravya Homa, and the Purnahuti Homa, and the Nityananda Homa, will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth of Sohamasmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes, with the Sakshat Dandavat Pranams at the Divine Lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, His Divine Holiness Swamiji, we now request Bhagavan's blessings for the Vishesha Dravya Homam and the Purnahiti Homam. कालाय विद्महे कालाधीराय धीमहि तन्नो कालभैरवः प्रचोदयात्।
सेव्यमानपावनाग्निपङ्कजम् ज्वालयज्ञशूद्रमिन्दुशेखरम् कृपाकरम् भगवन्तिरम् दिगम्बरम् आयिकापुराधिनादकालभैरवम् भजे भानुकोटिभास्वरम् भवाब्धिधारकम्बरम् नीलकण्ठमीप्सिहारदायकम् त्रिलोचनम् कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरम् कालिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे शूलटम् कपारण्डपाणिमायिकारणम् श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरम् निरामयम् भूषविक्रमम् प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे मुक्तिमुक्तिदायकम् प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहम् भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहम् देवविग्रहोऽयमेमचित्रकाण्डरप्रियम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे धर्मसेतुपालकम् वधर्ममार्गनायकम् कर्मपाशमोचकम् सुकर्मदायकम् विभुम् वर्णमण्डलम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे रत्नपादुका प्रभाभिरामपादयुग्मकम् नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतम् निरञ्जनम् मृत्युगर्भनाशनम् करालम् स्वभूषणम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे अट्टहासभुज्ञपद्मचाण्डकोशसन्ततिम् दृष्टिपाटनष्टपापजालमुग्रशासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकम् कपालमालिकन्धरम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे भूतसङ्घनायकम् विशालकीर्तिदायकम् काशीवासलोकपुण्यपापशोधकम् विभुम् नीतिमार्गकोविदम् पुरातनम् जगत्पतिम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे कालभैरवाष्टकम् पठन्ति ये मनोहरम् ज्ञानमुक्तिसाधनम् विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनम् शोकमोहदैन्यलोककोपतापनाशनम् ते प्रयान्ति कालभैरवाङ्घ्रिसन्निधिध्रुवम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवम् भजे कालभैरवम् भजे कालभैरवम् भजे विष्णु स्वदोषहोमावर्धन्तु भाङ्गिरः युम्नैर्वाजे विरावदम् स्वादस्मे प्रसवश्च मे प्रयतिश्च मे प्रसिद्धिश्च मे धीरिश्च मे तनुश्च मे वरश्च मे श्लोकश्च मे श्रावश्च मे रुदिरमे ज्योतिश्च मनश्च मे मानश्च मे ज्ञानश्च मे युक्तश्च मे चित्तश्च महाधीतश्च मे वाक्च मे मनश्च मे चक्षुश्च मे श्रोत्रश्च मे वक्षश्च मे बलं च ओजश्च मे सहस्रमायुश्च मे जरा च महात्मा च मे तनोश्च मे धर्म च मे कर्म च मे गानि च मे स्थानि च मे करूपुञ्जि च मे शरीराणि च मे जैश्चन्द्रमाधिपत्यं च मे मन्युश्च मे रामश्च मे भद्रश्च मे भद्र मे देवा च मे महिमा च मे गरिमा च मे प्रतिमा च मे बला च भुजं च मे वृद्धिश्च मे सत्यं च मे श्रद्धा च मे जगच्च मे धनं च मे वशश्च मे बुद्धिश्च मे क्रीडा च मे मोदश्च मे जातं च मे जनिष्यमानं च मे भोक्तं च मे सुहृतं च मे वित्तं च मे वेद्यं च मे भूतं च मे भविष्यश्च मे सुखं च मे सुहरं च मरथं च मरुद्भिश्च मे क्लिष्टं च मे क्लिष्टश्च मे मतिश्च मे सुमतिश्च मे च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे यशश्च मे यशश्च मे भवश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे सहश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे भूश्च मे प्रभुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयश्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुष्वं च मे नभित्रं च मे भयं च मे शुभं च मे शयनं च मे भूषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ऊर्च मे सोनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे दधिश्च मे कपीतिश्च मे दुर्भिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे दैवग्रन्थोद्यं च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे भूतं च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभु च मे प्रभु च मे भूयश्च मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णं च मे पूर्णतरं च मे क्षितिश्च मे भूयवाश्च मे नं च मे कुञ्च मे श्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे मासाश्च मे शिलाश्च मे मुद्राश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मथुराश्च मे प्रियङ्गवश्च मे नभश्च मे श्यामाश्च मे जीवाराश्च मे अश्वा च मे मृत्तिका च मे गिरयश्च मे पर्वताश्च मे शिवताश्च मे वनस्पतयश्च मे हिरण्यं च मे यश्च मे शीलं च मे तपुश्च मे श्यामं च मे लोहं च मे क्लिष्टमापश्च मे वीरुधश्च महोदयश्च मे कृष्णभद्यं च मे कृष्णभद्यं च मे ग्राम्याश्च मे पशव आरण्याश्च यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां वित्तं च वित्तं मे भूतं च मे भूतिश्च मे वसु च मे वसतिश्च मे कर्म च मे शक्तिश्च मे अर्थश्च महेमश्च सविता च म इन्द्रश्च मे सरस्वती च म इन्द्रश्च मे पूषा च म इन्द्रश्च मे ॐ क्षेत्रस्य पदिनामजवन्धितेनेव जयामसि कामस्वं पोषयित्वा सातो दृढामीदृशे बृहस्पतिश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे रुद्रश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे वरुणश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे वर्षा च म इन्द्रश्च मे धाता च म इन्द्रश्च मे विष्णौ च म इन्द्रश्च मे वरुणश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे विश्वे च मे देवा इन्द्रश्च मे पृथिवी च म इन्द्रश्च मे अंतरिक्षं च म इन्द्रश्च मे नौश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे दिशश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे ऊर्ध्वा च म इन्द्रश्च मे प्रजापतिश्च म इन्द्रश्च मे अकुण्ठश्च मे रश्मिश्च मे धाभ्यश्च मे धिपतिश्च म आकुण्ठश्च मे सत्यामश्च म ऐन्द्रवायवश्च मे मैत्रावरुणश्च म आश्विनश्च मे महाग्रयणश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे वश्च मे वैश्वानरश्च मरुद्ग्रहाश्च मे ग्राह्याश्च म ऐन्द्राग्निश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे मरुद्वतीयाश्च मे माहेन्द्रश्च म आदित्यश्च मे सावित्रश्च मे सारस्वतश्च मे पौष्णश्च मे सात्नीवतश्च मे हारियोजनश्च मे उत्मश्च मे वैहिश्च मे वीरिश्च मे धृष्टिराश्च मे दुर्दशश्च मे च गदाश्च मे ग्रामश्च मे सरवयश्च मौपरवाश्च मे धृतमणिश्च मे द्रोणकलभश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पोतभृश्च म आधवनि यश्च म आग्नेध्रं च मे अभिर्धानं च मे ग्रहाश्च मे गदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे गभृतश्च मे गगाकारश्च मे अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च भेर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे चक्वरीरङ्गुलयोदिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृश्च मे सामच मे सोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च मे ऋतश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोः वृष्टाभ्यत्रदन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेत गर्भाश्च मे भद्राश्च मे द्रविश्च मे द्रवीश्च मे दित्यवाच्च मे विद्यौहि च मे पञ्चाविश्च मे पञ्चावीच मे त्रिभक्तश्च मे त्रिभक्ता च मे दुर्जवाच्च मे दुर्यौहि च मे पट्टवाच्च मे पट्टौहि च उक्ता च मे वशा च मे ऋषभश्च मे देहश्च मे नट्वाञ्च मे धेनुश्च आयुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् प्राणो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् बाणो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् ज्वालो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् चक्षुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् श्रोत्रं यज्ञेन कल्पताम् मनो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् यज्ञेन कल्पताम् आत्मा यज्ञेन कल्पताम् यज्ञो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् एकाद मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्चच मे सप्त च मे नव च एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च मे एकाविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च एव त्रिविंशतिश्च मे त्रयस्त्रिविंशतिश्च मे चतुस्रश्च मे चौदश मे द्वादश मे षोडश मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिविंशतिश्च मे षट्त्रिविंशतिश्च मे चत्वारिविंशतिश्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिविंशतिश्च मे वाजश्च प्रथमश्च चतुर्दश मूर्धाद्यश्च भुवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च ॐ
बृहस्पतिरुक्तामग्नानि सगंशिष विश्वे देवासु भवाच
पृथिवीमातर्माभिवुन्धेर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुभक्ष्यामि मधुमनिष्यामि मधुमनीं देवेभ्यो वाचमुद्धामकं सोमेन्या मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्वशोभाये पितरो समदन्तो राजाधिराजाय प्रसय्यकाले नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे सदेवाभागायम् तानेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः भगवान भौम ग्रोम रुरुभैरवाय भौम जम चंद्रभैरवाय भौम ग्रोम क्रोधन भैरवाय भाव ओम उत्तम भैरवाय भा ओम कम कपाल भैरवाय भौम भीम भीषण भैरवाय भा ओम सम संहार भैरवाय नमः ओम घट भैरवाय भौम श्री भगवते भैरवाय भगवते नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः प्रभोयो भाविवरन्द्रधारकं देवादिच्युतो भाविगुतो जयपतिः तदेव सर्वं दस्यात् सर्वमिदं विभाति कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ओम श्री क्षेत्रकालाय नमः, श्री कालभैरव स्वामिने नमः, श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परम शिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचारार्थे कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि, रक्षां धारयामि। अद्य कृतस्य नित्यानन्दहवनः कालभैरवहोमकर्मणः परिपूर्णता सिद्ध्यर्थं पूर्णाहुतिहोमं करिष्ये। पूर्णाहुतिं उत्तमाञ्जुहोति सर्वं वै स्वाहा ओम भुव स्वाहा ओम भुव स्वाहा ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः स्वाहा। पूर्वे ओम ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा, पश्चिमे ओम विष्णवे स्वाहा, दक्षिणे ओम रुद्राय स्वाहा, उत्तरे ओम अनंताय स्वाहा। वैश्वानराय विद्महे राजेनाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात्। ओम कालकालाय विद्महे कालातीताय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात्। कर्पूर नीराजनं दर्शयामि, रक्षां धारयामि। यज्ञमयजन्तदेवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनाथं महिमानसरजमे यत्र पूर्वे साध्यासन्ति देवाः। ॐ दुःखादिवक्षरोक्तं सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देव क्षेत्रपालक। ओम धूर्भुवस्सुः धूर्वन्तं धूर्वदयोऽस्मात् धूर्वैनं वयं वयं पूर्वाः ॐ खं क्षेत्रपालाय नमः धूपमाघ्रापयामि ॐ राज्यं त्रिवर्ति संयुक्तं बन्धिना योजितं मया प्रधानमङ्गलं दीपं त्रैलोक्यदिविरापहं ॐ खं क्षेत्रपालाय नमः दीपं दर्शयामि अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा ॐ मधुवातारुतायते मधुक्षरन्ति बिन्धवः माध्वीर्णस्तन्तोषधीः मधुरस्तमुदोषधि मधुमत्सार्थिभगुम्रतः मधुभ्योरस्तु नस्तिता मधुमानो वनस्पतिर्मधुमावस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः माधो 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 ॐ खं क्षेत्रपालाय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि राजाधिराजाय प्रदर्शनाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे कामकामाय वक्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो दयालो कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः अलङ्कारदीपं सन्दर्शयामि ॐ अन्तर्नस्वातु कृत्तिकाः नक्षत्रं देवमिन्द्रियम् उदमासां विदक्षणम् हविराजं जुहोदन यस्य भक्तिरश्मयो यस्य केतवः यस्येमा विश्वा भुवनानि सर्वा प्रवृत्तिकाभिरभिदं वसानः अस्मिन्नो देवस्तु भिदे दधातु ॐ खं क्षेत्रपालाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं नित्यानन्दाय नमः नक्षत्रदीपं सन्दर्शयामि क्षेत्रपालाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं नित्यानन्दाय नमः सर्वोपचारार्थे सर्वमङ्गलवाप्यर्थे सर्वापराधक्षमापनार्थे महामङ्गलकर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि ध्वजावक्रमित्विष्टिं दृष्टभोज शिवदमुग्रवीरम् इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन मध्यमिदं वातेन सकरेण रक्षां धारयामि
கொடிலாட்டி வரும் வேட்டைக்கார வம்சமையா கண்ட கதை கொண்ட கோபக்கார கண்டமணியா கொடிலாட்டி வரும் வேட்டைக்கார வம்சமையா கண்ட தட்டு தடகு ஓசையா ஊரத்திலேயே கேட்குமா துருந்து பாடம் மனகைக்குள்ள கேவல் கதறி போடுமா வெள்ள
Paramashiva is here. Listen with Shraddha. Kala, time, is my skin on which the stimulus signals called this universe manifest. Universe, as you see, is only the signals manifesting on my skin. It is not real. My narration of the existence, your delusion of the universe, both meet each other on my skin called time, Kala. My narration, my reality, my existence is stored in time, Kala, as Akashic record. I run this cosmos through Dharma. My narration of the cosmos is Jnana. My narration of this universe is knowledge. My will to run this universe is Parameshwara. O human beings, listen. Your deluded narratives are instigated by the signals you perceive, which is neither permanent nor eternal, or leads you to the ultimate state. Listen intensely. Don't be deluded by the signals you experience inside your existence. Don't be deluded by the collective narratives you all create. Don't be deluded and diluted by more and more deluded narrations of yourself, universe, life. Live on the reality, truth of the Akashic records, Veda Agamas. Let the universe reveal its grand narrative in the form of Veda Agamas to raise the quality of your existence, to give you all superconscious breakthrough. Kala, time, is my skin on which these signals raise. The signals you perceive is not the reality of the universe. Reality of the universe is consciousness. Listen to these words with Shraddha again and again and again and meditate. Do Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana of these great truths. I'll give you all superconscious breakthrough. Shivapadam పరమశివపాదం, పరమశివపదం, పరమశివత్వం, పరమశివానుభూతి, పరమశివశక్తి, పరమశివ సాయుధ్యం, పరమశివజ్ఞానం, పరమశివాద్వైతం.
சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே தாடி கமலடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 எடுங்களே தாடி கமலடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 எடுங்களே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே பட்டினில் மேனியெல்லாம் பவள நீளமா எலகா பட்டினில் மேனியெல்லாம் பவள நீளமா எலகா பலவேட்டையாடிவர் பராஜங்க கருப்பு சாமி அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே மலையா மாமரங்கள் உண்டு பண்ணி மலையா மாமரங்கள் உண்டு பண்ணி சிலையாக நிற்கிறாரு தெய்வமான கருப்புதான் அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்புசாமி சங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே
Bless you all. To live, radiate. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful. With the grace of Paramashiva, I sincerely wanted to thank all those who sent their proclamation messages and letters for this 44th Avatar Dina Mahotsava. Today we have 70 proclamations and letters from around the globe, 15 from Telangana, India, 9 from Maharashtra, India, 9 from Tamil Nadu, India, 5 from Karnataka, India, 2 from Puduvai, India, 4 from Singapore, 2 from Hong Kong, 8 from California, USA, 1 from New Jersey, USA, 2 from Georgia, USA, 2 from Pennsylvania, USA, 3 from Slovakia, 1 from Nepal, 1 from Croatia, 1 from Czech Republic, 3 from Australia, we have proclamation from the member of Legislative Assembly, Magadi constituency, in which Adi Kailasa is located, Sri A. Manjunath. Thank you for your proclamation. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Srila Sri Marudavana Swami of Dandavani Desiga Vandara Sannidhi Swamigal, 22nd Gurumaha Sannidhanam of Dharma Mukti Swargapuram Adinam. Thank you, Swamiji, for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Dr. Sri Santavira Mahaswamiji, Adi Pita Koladamata Mahasamsthana, Bangalore City, Karnataka. Thank you, Swamiji, for your proclamation message and blessings. We have proclamation message from International Global Peace University, Dr. V.P. Gopal Raghavan. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from the Kovil Kudi, who live and die for Paramashiva as a temple, musicians and dancers, the Kailaya Mamani, Tiruvannamalai, Girivalam Arunachaleshwara Nadaswara Vidwan, Nadaswara Kalaimamani, Dr. Thiru T.R. Pichandi. Thank you for your proclamation, blessings. And Nadaswara Kalaivala Mamani, Sri Thiru Balaganesan and Srimadi Bhagyeshwari. Thank you for your proclamation message and blessings. Sri R. Krishnamurthy, District President, Tamil Manila Congress. Thank you for your proclamation message, blessings. Sri V. Shaktivel, ABT Parcel Service, State Vice President, Viswa Hindu Parishad. Thank you for your proclamation message and blessings. Dr. Peter Bloomfield, MD, MPH, Assistant Professor, Emergency Medicine at Olive View, UCLA Medical Center. Thank you for your proclamation message and blessings. Dr. Ashok Amin, Board Certified Gastroenterology and Liver Diseases. Thank you for your proclamation message, blessings. Dr. Shailesh Patel, Board Certified Psychiatrist, blessings. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Sachi V. Aranke, MD, Board Certified Neurologist. Thank you for your proclamation and blessings. Dr. Jamila Tiku, MD, thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Omkar Tiku, MD, Surgeon Professional Corporation. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Vijay Aranke, Principal Engineer. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Alkesh Vasudev Patel, Co-founder. Thank you for your proclamation message. Alpa Ramachandra Patel, Founder and CEO of Luvanya. Thank you for your proclamation message. Akhil Kodali, Technology Architect, thank you for your proclamation message. Miss Kim Dang, Notary Public, California, thank you for your proclamation message. Ma Pushkalananda, Vice President at the Treasures of India, thank you for your proclamation message. Brenda Jung, Sole Proprietor of BlissX LLC, thank you for your proclamation message. Mrs. Jeannie Z, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Jan Demjanic, Astrologer, Astro-Symbologist, thank you for your proclamation message. Adriana Zobejek, CEO of Leora SRO, thank you for your proclamation message. Andrea Marcisinova, owner of Vegnella Vegan, thank you for your proclamation message. Jacob Arniacek, Czech Republic, CEO and owner of CT Spal, thank you for your proclamation message. Ma Guruswatikananda, former President of Association for the Promotion of Entrepreneurship in Croatia, thank you for your proclamation message. Lee Sung Chung Jani, Ananda Paramashantini, Directors of Space of Purity of Awareness, thank you for your proclamation message. Ananda Shankari, founder at Punadini, thank you for your proclamation message. Edna Ling Ang, founder of Your Future Forward, thank you for your proclamation message. Lee Kim Kee, lawyer at KK Lee Law Corporation, thank you for your proclamation message. Pradeep Rawat, President at Life Bliss Foundation, Singapore, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Gottfried Kaiser, Director at Amandar Private Limited, thank you for your proclamation message. Shri and Ma Avimukta, Directors at Tech Options Info Solutions P Limited, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Eknath Tajani, Finance Controller, Kenter Engineers, thank you for your proclamation message. Urmit Shah, Proprietor, CA Urmit Shah and .co, thank you for your proclamation message. Aditya Patil, Director at Idea Magics, thank you for your proclamation message. Svetal Vyas, Proprietor S Incorporation, thank you for your proclamation message. Director of Foods LLP, Nitya Ramai, thank you for your proclamation message. P.S. Shinkar, Proprietor Balaji Surgicals, thank you for your proclamation message. Subhash Chandra Bose, founder of Hayagriva Astrology Research Center, Dharavi, thank you for your proclamation message. Chaya Bharadwaj, founder and managing director, Big Ituna Communications Private Limited, thank you for your proclamation message. Chaya Bharadwaj, founder managing director of BZ Webwise, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Manoranjan Kumar, senior divisional engineer, Government of Nepal, Thank you for your proclamation message. Pranab Sarkar, scientist at Research Center, Imarat, DRDO, Ministry of Defense in India, Hyderabad. Thank you for your proclamation message. Vijaya Reddy, Director at Kosher Proctor India Private Limited. Thank you for your proclamation message. Seema Kukraja, Managing Director of Himani Darbar Paratas. Thank you for your proclamation message. Swapna Manohari, Ayurveda practitioner, Siddha Nagarjuna Ayurveda Aushadalaya. Thank you for your proclamation message. Bharati Reddy, acupuncturist. Thank you for your proclamation message. Kottapalli Chaitanya Kumar, Chairman and co-founder of Kamadhenu Charitable Trust. Thank you for your proclamation message. M. Shivashankar Reddy, Managing Director, IE Power Gears Private Limited. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mrs. Pratima Sangapu, Managing Director, Encart E-Commerce Private Limited. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Shailendra Karune, Vastu Shastri. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Srinivas Aburi. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Anil Koltur, Kavya Siddha, MD at Vasishta Panchagavya. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Guruva Reddy, MD at Gurrappa Granites Private Limited. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Srinivas Aburi, Bharat Green Grass Supplier. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Anand Kumar, Gavya Siddha, MD at Panchagavya Chikitsalaya. Thank you for your proclamation message. Ventis Samson, Assistant Manager. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Bharati Bhatt, Founder of Nityananda Narasimha Devasthana in Mysore. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Vaidya Sundara Rajabandi, Medical Director, Akshaya Ayurveda Vaidyashala. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. S. Jayamati, Siddha Medical Director, Sri Ram Siddha Ayurveda Vaidyashala. Thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. R. Yuvaraj, Managing Director, Nitya Guru Hospital, Chengalpattu. Thank you for your proclamation message. KB Vasanti, Private Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Thank you for your proclamation message. CV Chellappan, Founder and Managing Trustee of Sri Krishna Adarsh Foundation, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Thank you for your proclamation message. P. Vinayakamurthy, Proprietor, Sri Mailam Murugan Lali Service. Thank you for your proclamation message. A. Chakravarti, Proprietor of SPR Blue Metals. Thank you for your proclamation message. Montreal, Province of Quebec, Canada, Dr. Jean Rene Van Bezilere, Dental Surgeon. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mrs. Helen Lee, Director of Ion Group. Thank you for your proclamation message. Edward Lee, Victoria, Australia, Manager of Property Savvy. Thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Kenneth King, East Victoria, Australia. Thank you for your proclamation message. still pouring proclamation messages, commendation letters are pouring from all over the world. Thank you for all your support. Especially today, I wanted to thank once again Sri Dr. Shantavira Mahaswamiji of Koladamat Mahasamsthana, Adipita, the oldest Hindu monastery as per the Indian Archaeological Survey Department. See, as per the Indian Archaeological Survey Department, the oldest monastery building exists in India is Adipita Koladamata. I thank the Jagadguru of Adipita Koladamata, Sri Dr. Shantavira Mahaswamiji once again for sending your proclamation message and sending us your blessings. And Swargabaramadinam, 22nd Guru Maha Sannidhanam, my predecessor of Swargabaramadinam and the member of Legislative Assembly, MLA of the constituency in which Adi Kailasa is situated, Sri A. Manjunath. I sincerely thank all of you for sending your proclamation letters and supporting Kailasa. Thank you all. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.